Hello, today we will guide you through how to allow participants to share screen in Zoom. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to change a meeting setting so that other participants, not just the host, can share their screen. This can be helpful during collaboration, presentations, team discussions, or anytime you want others in the meeting to show content from their device. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're signed in if needed. Since screen sharing permissions are managed from inside an active meeting, the first thing you'll want to do is get into Zoom and prepare to access the meeting controls. Next, open a sample Zoom meeting. This can be a test meeting or any meeting where you are the host and want to allow participants to share. Once the meeting window is open, look toward the bottom toolbar, where Zoom places the main controls for audio, video, participants, chat, and screen sharing. If you don't see the toolbar right away, move your mouse over the meeting window and it should appear. Now find the share button and click the small up arrow next to it. It's important to click the arrow rather than starting a screen share directly, because the arrow opens additional sharing options and settings related to who can present during the meeting. After that, click on the host tools for sharing. This area gives the host more control over how screen sharing works in the meeting. These settings are especially useful when you want to manage participation without interrupting the flow of the call. Once you're in the sharing controls, click the drop-down menu for Who Can Share. This menu lets you choose whether only the host can share or whether all participants are allowed to share their screens. If you're leading a more interactive meeting, this is the setting you'll want to adjust. From the drop-down, select All. Choosing this option allows everyone in the meeting to share their screen when needed. After you make this change, participants should be able to start sharing without needing the host to change the setting again during that meeting. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use this setting when collaboration is expected, but if you're running a structured presentation, you may prefer to keep sharing limited to the host until it's needed. And that's it. You've now allowed participants to share their screen in Zoom.